Good afternoon and welcome to New Southbridge News. This is Nolan, and as always, thank you for having us. First, I'd like to say thank you to the local realtor group and support that we've had. And to continue the support, we'd like to offer a $15 gift certificate to the Lockwood Folly Deli, just right around the corner from us. If you come through with a client and show some homes, we'd like to show our support and say thank you. And about 3 weeks ago, I had the chance to take a plane ride with the developer and the builder, Dan Hill at Burnett, and it was a lot of fun. But you can see from these photos here, I wanted to show how close New Southbridge really is to the ocean. It's just hop, skip, and jump away. And the second photo actually just shows kind of as close up as we could get, but the layout of the land. So it was a really neat thing. And we're really excited. We have our first contract. Our first folks will be building a home called the Ashwood, which we still have a model here. So please come by and take a look. And that will start construction in the next 30 days. So they are going to be joining the neighborhood. And we also were able to work out a great deal with the Gore Center Fitness right around the corner. Community college, wonderful facility. It's just maybe 3-4 years old, absolutely first class. So as a new Southbridge resident, you'll be able to join this at a reduced rate. And always we're trying to give back and promote the community. So these next few photos you'll see here are of the Easter egg hunt we did about 6 weeks ago. We had a great turnout. And it was a lot of fun. So we're always here. We're out there with the community, and we appreciate the community support. And wanted to show our fearless developer here in the last picture. So take a look, and if you get a minute, please take a look at the featured listings. We've updated the pictures. We will have these two still, another one coming out of the ground in the next few weeks, and we'll take it from there. If you have any questions, please give us a call. Thank you.